To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button to proceed. Swipe up to scroll down and locate the new Edit Grid option. If it's not visible, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now tap on it. Next, press and hold the post you want to reposition. Then drag it to your desired spot. Repeat the same process for any other posts you wish to rearrange. Rearranging posts only changes their order on your profile grid, it doesn't affect how they appear chronologically in your followers' feeds. If you think you made a mistake, you can undo the changes and revert the post to its previous position. If you are satisfied with the arrangement, simply go back to save the changes. Your updated grid layout will be saved and visible on your profile. This feature helps you to customize the look of your profile grid, helping you create a more visually appealing and organized feed. So that's how you can rearrange your Instagram grid without deleting posts.